What's up, world? Here we are, Adrian Aces Cadwalder, with my boy, Mr. Carlos Cordero, aka Malecho. Yo, here we are on Amsterdam 86. About to go down to the motherfucking boat basin and get a few drinks and everything. I know I'm not supposed to curse. Malecho said, "Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. We love you." oh shit, what's up? Oh, you got a much better view. I'm talking to yours. So anyways, first things first, we got Mr. Snoot with us. Yeah, I'm on video right now. We got Mr. Snoot with us. Say hi, Snoot. Hi, Snoot. Yeah, that's what's up. Yo, anyways, check out the site, Adrian Aces Cadwalder. Daily interviews. We do talks, mathematics, science, speak about philosophy, religion, politics, basically topic of your choice, whatever you want to talk about. I'll spit something about it and maybe drop a gem or two. All right, you guys have a nice day, and thank you very much, and continue to keep playing.